Taita Vijak, you and I have talked about the prophecy of the eagle and the condor, and many people don't know what that is, but can you explain what this is and how it relates to what you want to do here at Pakaringa Ushai?
Yes, um, our people knew we were moving to a night time. So in nighttime it's different. We do different things. There is different activities, and daytime is different activities. So, but then there was a prophecy for this new morning. There will be a sign, and they said, if the eagle and the condor will fly in the same sky, there will be a time where the eagle and the condor will fly in the same sky. So this time is arriving. So we see uh, families, brothers, sisters from the north visiting South America, and South Americans going to the north. They learn in different experiences.
The
So
eagle is the north and the condor is the south.
yeah, the north
Americas.
is represented by the eagle. And a lot of countries from the north has in their flags or their
Oh yes.
yeah. So
From the
they
United States,
yeah,
we have an eagle
yeah.
for our symbol. Germany
Yes,
also.
eagles. So a lot of culture of the north has their eagles. So that's why our people saw in their visions eagles and the condor flying together in the same sky. And then talking in our gatherings, in our circles with shamans and elders and yachaks, main teaching is to start inside. We are the sky, they said.
Ah,
The eagle is our mind, thinking, planning.
yeah.
Condor means shungu, heart, meditating, contemplating, enjoying,
Connecting.
connecting. All this is both element. Humans has all these elements, but now in this modern society, in this modern time, they're using too much mind because we're living patriarchal time. It's men's leading the world. So they lost the feminine side. They lost the spiritual, they lost the kindness, the respect, connections, humble. So they lost this. So now it's time to condor and eagle fly together. Mind, heart, uh, have make a good relationship. So they will fly together in the same sky in our body. So we will have a harmonious, a beautiful life. And we are unbalanced. So if we work together, if we help each other, so we have lots of things to share, and you have lots of beautiful things to share in a good way. Somebody was telling me, but North U.S. or modern society, they don't have much to share. It's all pollution, on industries, all these things. But they say, no, 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 they have beautiful way to live. That's why they arrive to this point of to have prosperous life. Now, every South is dreaming to have a prosperous life, but that's not only the target. The prosperous lives have to be in balance because there are lots of people in the north. They have lots of money. They have beautiful houses, beautiful space, but something is they're missing. So, and and they're coming south, visiting our temple, going to the mountains, walking to the mountains, and they feel something is coming back.
Yes.
So, and that is the energy of the condors, nature, spirituality, find the balance. So,
Family.
family, community. So,
Community, yeah.
yeah.
So we live. So I moved here from the United States, where we live in little boxes in complete isolation, no connection with each other. But we make very good plans, and we're very organized.
Yes.
But there's
The-
what's
the-
missing is the heart,
We're missing the heart. We have to organize to enjoy time in the nature with family.
the
Yeah,
balance.
yeah, and then we have balance. And for that, we have thousand year experience living in community, living in Aiju, and Aiju for us is not human. Aiju is not human family only. Aiju means when we listen Aiju, we feel insects, we feel plants, we feel nature, we feel elements. So that's Aiju. So and we have a lot of experience we can share to North Hemisphere and modern society, which they grow up in the eagle world. So we can help, we can work each other. So you can help us to planning, organize, and we can help also to enjoy, to reconnect to ourselves first. And then we enjoy our presence here. Naturally, we'll enjoy around us, and so we will understand better other humans, brothers, sisters, and when we see a plant, we will easily find, I get it, what that mean, and the smell. Oh, I know. Without knowing, you will know what's purpose of this plant to be here. So when we connect it, it's not easy to find a medicine. So medicine just will appear or come to you. That's my way to teach healings. So I won't heal people. So the idea as a yachak is to teach how to reconnect to yourself, understand, listen yourself, and then, oh, there is a medicine.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will naturally you become part of everything.
Yes.
That is the way of Kapaknyang. Kapaknyang is a path, or is a way to live in harmony with nature, humans, spirits. So that's Kapaknyang is our shamanic path, we can call. But everybody have to be a yachak, everybody have to be a shaman, everybody have to be walking in this path of the Incas and the pre-Incas and Celtic and all Tibetans, all cultures from their ancestors. So if we remember this essence, our brain, eagle sight, condor sight, will find the balance, and our life will be much easier, much easier. Even in this chaos, we will be part of the chaos, so nothing will bother us. Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you.